Hey, how's it going? Welcome to another MLittleProgramming tutorial. In today's video, we will be looking at 5 Python tips and tricks for beginners you should know in 2020. How to switch the value of two variables in Python. Now, this is a problem that often crops up when programming in Python. We have two variables, a and b. We want to switch the values a and b. The usual way to do this is by creating a placeholder variable, c, like so, and assigning this to the value of a. We then assign a to b and b to c. Instead of doing this, we can actually condense this into a single line, a, b, b, a. When we run this, we see that the values are swapped. List manipulation. Now, you may find yourself needing to find items or values within a list. For example, we may want to find the numbers up to 10 that are odd. One way to do this is to create a for loop, like so. We're going to look at every item in the list, and then the if statement inside the for loop checks if the current number we're looking at is odd. If the number is odd, it is printed. Now, this is a totally fine way to do this. However, there is a way we can do this on just one line. To do this on one line, we use what is called list comprehension. We want to output the number, so we open a print statement. Inside the print statement, we open square brackets. Inside the square brackets, we declare a variable. Let's call it x. We can manipulate x by using the same for loop syntax we've just seen. Next to the for loop, we can place the if statement we previously had inside the for loop. When we run this now, we see 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9 are printed. Concatenating lists. If we have two lists, list 1 and list 2, it is possible to combine them. To do this, we can create a third list, list 3, and set that to list 1 plus list 2. Now, when we print list 3, we can get the combined list of list 1 and list 2, so the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 in our list 3. Turning a string into a list. If we have a string like so, it is possible to convert each character into an item in a list. To do this, we pass a string into the list function. When we print this, we get a list where each item is a character from the string. Running a program in an interactive shell. Now, you may be in a situation where you have written a function and you want to see if it is performing as you wanted it to. Now, the more common way to do this is to create a print statement and call the function inside of the print statement. However, there is a way to do this that allows you to test a few different values without having to keep running the program or have a load of print statements. This is by running the program in a terminal using the I option. Using the I option gives us access to a Python shell. Now we can call our function, testing out different values over and over again in the Python shell and get an output each time. Thank you for watching the video this far. I hope you got a lot of value from it. If you'd like to see more Python programming tutorials, there will be a link in the description down below to a playlist of Python programming tutorials. With that said, if you liked the video, if you could drop a like on the video, it would be much appreciated as it really helps the channel, and subscribe to see new Python programming tutorials every week. Also, if you've got any questions about the video, drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you. Have a great day.